Okay guys, we are now right here at Grande Riviere, Trinidad and Tobago, the nesting and hatching place of Turtleback Sea Turtle, and where the Mount Plaisir Estate Hotel and Restaurant located. The beach and the river. Grande Riviere has many locations for bathing. Walk along the shoreline in front of the vista, approximately 2 minutes, you will arrive at the most refreshing river where it flows into the ocean. Enjoy, walk up the river, and soothe your senses in the cool of nature. Shark River is about 15 minutes drive from the house heading to Matalon. You can pack snacks, lunch, or a drink and head out there for a great experience. Matlo is also the last village you can drive to. There are some breathtaking views and also a large river that meets the sea in which you can bath. Turtle season. The turtle nesting season is from March to August each year. Grande Riviere is one of the top nesting sites in the world for viewing the leatherback turtles. In the months of May and June, you have the best chance to view both the adults in their nesting glory and the baby turtles hatching, all in a one-night stay. From March, you will see adult turtles, and from approximately May into August, you see a lot of baby hatching. The guides are friendly and will allow you to interact with the turtles under supervision. There is the Grande Riviere Nature Tour Guides Association that handles all tours with telephone number 469-1288. You must obey all tour guides' rules. The beach is closed from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day. Even though you are staying on the beachfront, it is off-limit for you to venture onto the beach to do your own viewing of the turtles. You must be accompanied on the beach by a designated tour guide after you have paid and made arrangement at the tour guide office. They are open most nights from 7 p.m. Once they know where you are staying, they usually come get you when they have located a turtle or few. Come, enjoy at Grande Riviere, Trinidad and Tobago, where the turtle leatherback is located, and experience the reality of this leatherback sea turtle. Thanks.